So, guys, this afternoon we'll also analyze GBPJPY. Today being the 25th of January 2026. So, on my screen here, I have a GBPJPY chart in the 4-hour time frame. So, first of all, let me delete these things that we have here. We have a clean chart now. Let's go to the daily time frame and see what we have there. We currently have an uptrend. Yes, GBPJPY have been bullish for a long time now. So focusing here, we can mark a pattern here. We can recognize something here, a double top. Yes, recognize this double top. We mark our key levels, and here we can also have a key level here also, which the market will likely come down to. And also, we can also have a level here that we can recognize, a resistance here that turn into support. Yeah. So this the daily time frame. This how we understand the daily time frame. And not forgetting also this level, even though it's very far, but we need to take note of this level. The market decides to go down, it might likely come to this level. So we should watch out. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame, as we can see. So on this GBPJPY, we must really look for sales. Yes, we must look for sales. So at this point, we'll need to allow price when the market walk through. We'll wait for price to do something like this, to buy a little from this level. Either it goes up here, then comes down, or it comes down like this, comes down to this level. It comes down to this level before then to test this area before shooting downside, or we just look see what price action, what the price is saying, or still here they can decide to go up and break this highs. Why am I saying so? Because if you can zoom in a little, you will have this thing. You can have a trend line. You can draw a trend line here, because the market, this GBPJPY has been on an uptrend, forming higher highs and higher lows. So this is it. We can have our trend line here, or clean trend line. So the market is in a support level. So what can happen here is this GBPJPY can decide to buy off from this level, but if it happens to break this level, this is what we'll have. We'll have something like this, come down here, then go down. If at all it breaks this level, but if it doesn't break, then at that point we'll have something like this. We'll go up, break this level. This is what we'll have. If it breaks this level, then that's when things will become interesting, because at that point we're looking for highs. These are the scenario that we will be expecting. If it breaks, going up, will be a buy, something like this. If it breaks like this, we'll be buying GBP. JPY. Yes, and now stop loss around this level, depending on what price action is saying. But at the same time, if it decides to break this level, this one will have, this one will have, it decides to break this level, let me come to free, so that you come back for a retest here, then that's when this one, these are the possible scenarios that can happen on GBPJPY. I think there's nothing complicated here, so we should just watch out, and in as much as we are trading, we should make proper risk management to avoid loss of funds. Yeah, so this is it for GBPJPY.